Imagine a silent, invisible threat that could be lurking in your home right now, odorless and indetectable by human senses. How can you protect yourself and your loved ones from this unseen danger? To safeguard your household effectively, carbon monoxide detectors should be installed on every level of your home, especially outside sleeping areas and near any carbon monoxide-producing appliances. This strategic placement is crucial for early detection and warning. Carbon monoxide is a highly poisonous gas produced by the incomplete burning of various fuels such as gas, oil, kerosene, wood, or charcoal. It displaces oxygen in your blood, leading to serious health issues or even death, often before you realize what is happening. Since it rises with warm air, placing detectors at the right height and in proximity to heat sources or sleeping zones helps ensure they can detect leaks promptly, giving you vital time to react. Start by installing one detector on each level of your home, including the basement and attic if occupied. Prioritize placement within 10 feet of all sleeping areas, as this ensures you will be alerted even while you are asleep. For added protection, place a detector near your furnace, water heater, or any other fuel-burning appliance. Additionally, if you have an attached garage, it is wise to install a detector in the room adjacent to the garage entrance to detect exhaust fumes. When installing, remember that carbon monoxide detectors can be either battery-operated, hot-wired, or plug-in units. For optimal performance, mount detectors on a wall about 5 feet from the floor or on the ceiling, avoiding corners or direct sunlight. Do not place them directly above a fireplace or heating vent, as this can lead to inaccurate readings. Always follow the specific instructions provided by your detector's manufacturer for the best results. Proper installation and regular maintenance of carbon monoxide detectors create an essential early warning system, protecting you from a deadly, indetectable gas. This simple step provides invaluable peace of mind, ensuring a safer environment for everyone in your home.